My name is Belinda Holland and I'm a retired school teacher. This place was in need of an upgrade. We've lived here about 35 years and our master bathroom was a Roman tub, sunken shower combination that we were needing to upgrade as just simply a walk-in shower. And so I was very fortunate to connect with Structura, and my second goal was to increase our storage space. We really never had medicine cabinets and a place to clear the clutter. Kobe was able to construct the towers for us, so they're our glorified medicine cabinets now. As with most things these days, I began researching online. It really just depended upon how sophisticated the websites were and how much information. The thing that stood out the most was clear communication in goal setting. I felt a sense of respect for what I was wanting and for my vision as opposed to being imposed upon. And so that was the biggest factor. And it was unwavering. You hear so many horror stories about where's the contractor, where are the workers, and so forth. And there was someone here every day feeling my concerns and just making sure I was comfortable with what was going on. Well, I don't think any project is without challenge. We knew that they would probably unearth something, and Kobe was able to keep things on track. And we solved our problem. You know, it was never an issue of we can't do this. You know, there was always a solution. I think it turned out to really mirror the vision that I had, and that in and of itself exceeded my expectations. There is never a moment that you're feeling excluded or not part of the process, or that you're in the dark about anything. And that is critical. The reason I would recommend Structura is clear communication, the professionalism, and the efficiency of the entire unit. I expect it to be one of many who feel that, you know, you got to roll with the punches with a remodel, but they were extremely present. Trust Structura, because I went into this not really feeling that, you know, it would be as good as it was. So it was a great experience.